Alright, my name's Kanji Coder. I fucking hate this. Let's fucking go in top level constant macros. We have the right area mask and kill area mask. Right area mask, kill area mask. They are complements of each other. Kill area mask is used to erase the BS4 from a uint32 tile payload. Right area mask is for writing the bomb state enumeration bits for special tile setters that require a right area mask. Okay, in Tileboy, we have some monkey wrench macros here, and then we have Tileboy add U32 BS4. This is going to add a BS4, bomb state enumeration, of which there are 4. It's going to add that value into the uint32 binary tile payload. We have an input binary tile payload for a bomb tile, and we're going to tack on this value. So right here we have an explanation of what this is for, and this right here is just a little sanity check. We're going to make sure that the sanity check is equal to the constant kill area mask at the top of the file, otherwise we're going to throw an error. And then we're going to make sure that this is a complement to this, right? So if we XOR these two together, we should get 32 1 bits in a row, otherwise we're going to crash. The 0 shift is fucking necessary, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to erase the bomb state enumeration from our binary tile payload using the kill area mask. Kill area mask for the bomb state enumeration. Then we're going to take the new bomb state enumeration, shift it into the correct position, and we're going to glue these two numbers together with a bitwise OR. Right shift to make sure that this is interpreted as unsigned logic. Spit out the value here. Then down here in TileFed, the stateful tile setter system, we have TileFed editor U32 edict 1. This is our tile setter for editor controller 1, the main editor controller in the game. And if we scroll down here, we have the section called call tile packer. If we are using the bomb layer, we want to tack on that extra information. So we're going to extract the bomb state enumeration from the editor game state, the editor BS4 value, and then we're going to use that tile packer function, the thing that's going to add a U32, it's going to add the BS4 into the U32, right? So we're modifying the U32 tile payload with the BS4 information, right? And then that's it. So here's what we did previously, and then we got footnotes and stuff, but we're out of fucking time. Like and subscribe. If you want a longer explanation, go here. We have no fucking time right here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. Like and subscribe.